In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Resume Template in Microsoft Word. Creating a professional resume can feel overwhelming, but Microsoft Word makes the process much easier by providing ready-made templates that are clean, modern, and customizable. Instead of starting from scratch, you can simply choose a template, replace the sample content with your own information, and tailor it to match your experience and career goals. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the entire process so you can confidently create a polished resume. To begin, open Microsoft Word. On the Start screen, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type the word Resume into the search box and press Enter. Word will display a variety of resume templates, each with different layouts and styles. Take a moment to browse through the options and choose one that fits the type of job you're applying for. Some templates are more creative and modern, while others are more traditional and formal. Once you find a template you like, click on it to preview the design. Then select Create to open it in a new document. The template will include placeholder text and sample sections such as your name, contact information, professional summary, work experience, education, and skills. Carefully replace the sample content with your own details. Make sure your name and contact information are accurate and easy to read at the top of the page. As you edit the document, pay attention to formatting. Keep your font style and size consistent throughout the resume. If you need to adjust spacing or alignment, use the Layout and Home tabs to fine-tune the appearance. Avoid overcrowding the page with too much text. Keep your descriptions clear, concise, and focused on achievements rather than just responsibilities. If you want to customize colors or headings, you can modify the template styles. Simply click on a heading or section title and adjust the formatting as needed. However, be careful not to over-design your resume. A clean and professional look is always best. When you're finished editing, review your resume carefully for spelling and grammar errors. Save the file by clicking File, then Save As, and choose a location on your computer. It's also a good idea to save a copy as a PDF to preserve the formatting when sending it to employers. And that's it. By using a resume template in Microsoft Word, you can quickly create a professional document that showcases your qualifications effectively. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.